Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, May 1st, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. The merry month of May came in today, and I think it would have been more exciting to watch flowers grow than to trade this market. You know, it's really strange. The Dow actually gained 183 points, and if I didn't know any better, I'd say, well, that certainly sounds like there was a lot of buying and some excitement in the markets today. But in truth, I really don't think there's much buying going on at all. And there certainly isn't much excitement. You know, with the Dow up 183 points, we only got into 4 positions. I mean, that something's kind of weird about that. And nothing is really taking off. There's no excitement. These are rather boring markets, and for that reason, I would say that this rally that we had today, 180 some points in the Dow, is basically pretty phony. It's just a bounce from this action, and I am definitely calling the Dow down tomorrow. I don't see that it really has much strength here at all, and that is reflected in our trading today. We certainly didn't have a bad day. I mean, nothing like we had a few days ago. We closed out $600 some in the 2 positions. That's negative $600 or so in the 2 positions that we had coming in, and we're carrying negative $163 over the weekend with 4 positions. So, like, it's just slightly negative, but we shouldn't be negative at all if there were a lot of buyers in this market, and I just don't think there are. I hope and pray this market will correct. We really need a correction in a bad way to set us up, and with the Dow closing just over 18,000, I think it just sets us up for more stagnation. But not only that, I think there's a potential danger here, because we could get back here to the situation we saw here, where we get into a bunch of stuff and then it just goes against us. We lose thousands of dollars, and I see the same kind of setup could happen here, but honestly, I don't think it's going to happen tomorrow. I think we're going to see a down market tomorrow. I would love to see it fall about 400 points, but I don't know if it's going to really do that. I just show you a couple of our trades today. This was the dog of the day. It was in Sempra. You know, nice big move up, and we get into it, and it turns out we get into it almost at the high. It pulls against us. Does come back just a little bit, but we're down $2,000 in Sempra. We had a couple okay trades. I'll show you one here. What do we got here? This was in Cirrus Logic, Cirrus, C-R-U-S. And, you know, it had a pretty strong move here. We get into it about the middle of the day, and it keeps going. So we got a little over $1,000 there in Cirrus Logic. And that's, you know, that's a nice move. No question about it. But positive $1,000 does not offset negative $2,000 that we had in Sempra. So I guess you can probably ascertain some disgust in the tone of my voice. I'm just I'm bored with these markets. I want to see something happen. Anyway, but keep in mind that just as soon as you get bored and you think nothing's going to happen, then all hell breaks loose. So, this is Trader Bob. I'm going to be back here on Monday trading as usual. We'll see you then.